These three YouTube features is currently demonetizing a lot of channels for repetitive content, inauthentic content, and reused content. Let me explain. Few months ago, one of our family here was demonetized because of reused content, and the feature she used was the collab feature. That is the YouTube Shorts collab feature. On YouTube, they have a shorts feature where you can collab with other viral short videos as long as the collab option is available on that video. So she used the collab feature in making a video, and she synced very well to the video, and the video went viral. She got over 11 million views on that particular video. But when she got to the requirement of 1,000 subscribers and 10 million public short views in the last 3 months to apply for YouTube monetization, her channel was rejected. The video was at 11 million views and her channel was having over 10,000 subscribers. But when she applied for the YouTube Partner Program, she was rejected for reused content. So I don't really know what the problem is right now, but YouTube now see videos that use the collab shorts feature to collab with other viral video as reused content. They now see it as low effort content. It means you didn't put so much work in your video and your video got so many views. If you're using the collab feature, I'm sorry to tell you this, but your channel can be demonetized for reused content, and I've seen this with so many other channels. So this is not just assumption from just one channel. So many other channels that have been using this collab feature has also gotten demonetized for reused content. Right now we are in the process of submitting a new application because we have deleted the short video, and hopefully she might get monetized. Another feature that is currently demonetizing a lot of channel is the YouTube remix feature. When you use this feature, it is currently demonetizing channels. I don't know, but they are giving people reuse content for using the remix feature. I don't know why YouTube will put this feature if they know it is going to get you demonetized for reuse content. In my own opinion, I think it is the AI they put to flag those channels. So when you apply for the YouTube Partner Program, they assess your channel for if it is original, and if it is not original, they flag it as reused content. So when you're making remix videos, the person's clip you're remixing, that is the short clip you're remixing, is also going to be attached to the one you are making. So they are seeing it as reused content, and I don't know when they are going to fix this particular issue, but for now it is getting a lot of channels demonetized. Now the third option that is currently getting a lot of people demonetized is the option which says yes, this is an altered content, and no, this is an altered, and no, this is not an altered content. So if you're not making use of this feature, your channel can be demonetized. Not only that, I see people still using this option which says yes, my channel, or yes, my video is an altered or synthetic content, and they still get demonetized. And the reason why they get demonetized is because of inauthentic content, because now YouTube is flagging AI content. If your video is not an educational video and you're using AI videos in it, or you're using AI pictures in it, the chances of you getting demonetized is very high. I've seen this happen with so many channels in the entertainment space. But if you're making educational content, you are free to use AI. But if you're in the entertainment space, that means you're doing AI stories, your channel can get flagged for demonetization even if you select the option which says yes, this is an altered content. So I don't know how long this is going to last, but until YouTube fixes the issue, please do not use these options for now, especially if you're in the entertainment niche. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you all in my next video. Peace.